Luffy. What? Do you love pets? Say I love pets.
Pretty little baby.
You love pets?
Pretty little baby.
Mac, what do you think of
Pretty
pets?
little baby. You say that maybe you'll be thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm hoping that you do.
All right, one more time. One more time.
You can ask the flowers.